Hey, are you looking for a little easy money? You're at the right place. You can complete this task from anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills, you don't need any money to start, you don't need a credit card, and you don't need a website. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video on the SideHustlr channel. I will teach you how to make up to $50 per hour to watch videos. I know that sounds hard to believe, but I will prove it to you like I always do throughout this short video. If you're new here, first of all, welcome to the most substantial channel on YouTube. So today we're going to discuss a brand new, super exciting and cool strategy where you can get paid to watch videos. Making money by viewing movies is considerably more straightforward than you might think. It's a very easy approach to earn additional cash, as you probably already watch movies and commercials online in your free time. We'll go through the best methods for watching films for money here. Let's start. Swagbucks. The free website Swagbucks allows you to make money while sitting on your sofa and watching videos. And they're presently offering a free $5 bonus when you sign up. You, therefore, have nothing to lose, and a simple $5 to earn if you're doubtful, as I was. Swagbucks only requires your name and email address to get started. Inbox Pounds. The website Inbox Pounds is comparable to Swagbucks. You can accumulate points by completing surveys, watching movies, and performing other tasks. Although you can't earn a living full-time through this website, Inbox Pounds can be helpful as a side source of income if you need one. Overall, using this website is a terrific method to increase your money while having fun. You can make money even by reading Inbox Pounds' deal emails or using their search engine. Earnably. Earnably is another website on the list that allows you to complete simple activities for cash. Watching videos is fantastic if you want to earn a little money quickly. But if you have the time to invest, taking paid surveys can also be beneficial. You must register for an account on Hideout.tv, an Earnably partner site, to work on Earnably. Ensure your Earnably and Hideout.tv accounts are connected after creating an account. You can also use your exclusive referral link to refer friends and family to earn extra money. You'll receive 10% of anything they make from completing site activities if they join through your link. AdWallet. This website is a fantastic resource for online revenue generation. The joining process is quick and easy, and AdWallet's rewards program is lucrative. On this website, you can earn money by viewing films, doing surveys, and answering questions. You receive anything between 50 cents and $3 for each video you watch on their platform, and once you have $10 in your wallet, you can cash out your profits. You can choose to withdraw your money using PayPal, gift cards, bank transfers, or gifts to charities. This website is a fantastic location to earn money. Review movies and TV shows to earn money. Are you interested in earning a living by viewing videos? One of the greatest and most well-known methods to do this is to start reviewing movies or television shows. Getting to the point of writing about videos as a full-time career takes time and effort, but you could do it if you work hard, are committed, and have good writing skills. The fields of film and television criticism are incredibly competitive. To reflect your degree of experience, you should start by charging lower fees, especially if you're considering writing on a freelance basis. But keep in mind that you should be compensated for your writing. Just because you're starting, you should only have to take what you consider fair payments. Additionally, our approach to supporting you financially during the placement can be helpful if you end up on an unpaid internship. You could progressively raise your rates and accept more commissions as you build a portfolio of reviews and establish your reputation. Make money through Fusion Cash? Maybe. Fusion Cash's registration process is quick and straightforward, and you'll receive a $10 welcome bonus just for signing up. In addition to watching videos, several other websites mentioned in this video also provide the opportunity to earn money by completing surveys and other get-paid-to chores. Fusion Cash is one of the less popular websites on this list and has received mediocre to average user evaluations. For instance, it only scored a 3.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and the BBB gave it an F rating. One of the most frequent user complaints is that if you don't cash out your earnings within 180 days of it being credited to your account, they expire. So you may be unable to earn enough money to cash out within that window due to the site's relatively high $25 minimum withdrawal amount. Fusion Cash is one we don't necessarily recommend, but if you decide to sign up, please do so with caution. Instead, we included it as a cautionary tale of why it's essential to do your research on some of these providers. There you have the websites that reward you for watching videos and completing little tasks. It depends on the offer if some websites pay you more or less. You can always earn a little more money by completing all the offerings on the website, such as surveys, questions, and introducing friends, among other tasks. Therefore, these websites might be ideal for you if you want to earn some extra money. But be sure to read the terms and conditions properly before beginning. Check out the video description for links to sign up for any providers listed. Thank you for watching. If you want to explore more relevant videos and earn money through different sources, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. If you have suggestions for other money-making topics, leave them in the comments. Happy earning!